Yes! Super Sunday wings. You make it for Shabbos, you have leftovers, it's Super Sunday wings because it's Shabbos, Baruch Hashem, it's Shabbos! Super Sunday.
Hey there, I'm Yussi Weisz, and welcome to my home, where the hustle and bustle of shopping, cooking and cleaning all week is our way of preparing the Kovet Shabbos Kodesh. So, when that special moment arrives, we sit back, take a deep breath, and say out loud, Baruch Hashem, c'est Shabbos. Okay, let's go. Today, we're making bucherische food. Wings, salami, toamehu-style. You know, people come to my house every Friday, my boys bring home bucherim, it's a titzadu, it's a lebedik. You have to grill them wings, you gotta give them salami, chicken nuggets, fire for giggles. I thought maybe I'll make an episode of chicken wings and salami. Let's do this. So, first issue we have when it comes to kosher wings is that they sometimes have too many extra feathers. Let me teach you a little trick how to get rid of those. Now, disclaimer, little kids, do not do this at home. This is made for adults only. Get one of these, they're not expensive. You can pick them up on Amazon or whatever, it's no big deal. Like that. See that? This will burn all your feathers off. It's a little trick the caterers do, or should be doing. Now you got yourself clean wings. I'm gonna put them right back in my bowl. Now to make the spice rub, follow the recipe. I'm gonna grill these wings. I wanna use Tuscanini smoked Sicilian sea salt. Smoke, grill, get it? Give you a nice little extra touch with salt and some olive oil. Get comfortable. Who doesn't like grilled, delicious, fresh wings? Next, we're going for salami. Where do you keep salami in your house? I'm just curious. Where do you keep salami in your house? Huh? I'll show you where we keep it. Let's get a knife. I think I'll take the biggest one. Whoa. Sure, why not? So we'll do a few different styles. Let me show you how to make a Hasselback Salami, a little trick. Chopsticks. Put it on here. Now, my knife, it's not going to go all the way down. Why do Bucherim love Hasselback Salami? Yeah, I also do, actually. I'm not a Bucher. Actually, yeah, I'm a Bucher mit der Wab, mit Kinder, mit der Einigung. Yeah. See that? Then slice it all the way down. Houston, we got a problem. It doesn't fit. Just going to take off some. This is ready right there. I'm going to put this aside. These, I'm going to go right through. Slice this. All you guys, you fancy cowboy steaks and who knows what? Salami. $7.99 a pound. Another bowl. This I'm going to put out. Anywhere and everywhere. No waste, no waste. Bobby Weisz, don't worry. No waste. Now let's make a nice sauce. Put the sauce on in the oven a few minutes. I'm gonna start with some duck sauce. That's the way my mother does it. Good quality duck sauce, it's not so runny. This is real quality. So, let's play with it. Duck sauce, done. Next, a sweet chili sauce. Side. A bistel van day. Little maple syrup. Sweet heat. I want to spice things up a little bit. I know the Bucherim like it spicy. Oh, delicious. Yum. Maybe a little smoked salt. Love. Some over here. The rest we're gonna do over here. You want to make sure you get it all in. This you want to make sure you get it as a kacha. A nice massage. All this. Mix it up a little bit. Now I'm gonna put this in my oven. So here we go. Look at this. We got salami, or for fancy people, Hasselback salami. I got wings. I love wings. I'm gonna bring on a special guest today, but he'll be coming in undercover. He'll be in Shadichem soon. El Shatchunem, relax, tranquilo. So I'm gonna ask my son Meyer to come on and taste some of the wings, some of the salami. Meyer, please, why don't you come in and undercover, of course.
Hello, hello.
What did you bring here?
We're a long time ago.
You got time to go
Tiny for short, from the Rupa family farm.
from the Rupa family farm.
They were having some chicken, you know. This is his cousins. He's always jealous. His cousin's always on stage. He wants to be there live. So here we are.
Okay.
So we have some salami. I was gonna bring also something for a salami, but I figured I might have a cow. Cow. Pun intended right there.
Okay, so Meyer, you want to taste? What do you
I think we'll
want to
taste something. We'll taste some.
You want to taste?
See how you taste. I got him.
Got him? You got him?
Yeah. Pretty comfortable. Good.
I think Tarny wants to taste them.
Wow, you're really good.
But you want some salami also?
Wow, no, you're delicious.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Are you just saying that because you're on set?
I know, I was thinking, what's the point of tasting? Everyone always says, so good.
Right?
I guess this is talking good.
It's talking good.
Yeah, not shy.
Well, I'm cutting up the salami for you so Tarny doesn't get a whole go. So whatever.
Exactly.
Okay, I think I'm also going to have a wing.
Alright. He was nervous to come on.
He
I was
was?
like, don't be such a chicken. He was like, well, that's what I do. It's actually very good. I like the sweetness and the spiciness. The way to go. Okay.
Alright.
He's getting stage fright. Relax. I think he wants.
Yum.
Alright, huh? Delicious.
Good?
Amazing. Get a little drink.
I got something special for you.
Alright.
You know what I got?
What do we got?
Richest cold seltzer.
Alright. Tons of ice.
With tons of that. You know what? I got it in Costco.
Time.
Alright. Okay, Tony.
Time.
Want a drink?
Nah. Alright. I think we just have one question for Tiny.
Why did you cross the road?
Alright. Buddha Hashem Shabbos.
Thank you everybody for watching. Maya, we can goodbye to Tony.
Alright.
Tony's going back to the Reuben farm tonight.
Yeah.
She's gonna go lay some eggs so we can make ice spice.
Mm-hmm.
Alright everybody, that's a wrap. We're done. Can you imagine me bringing a chicken on in my mother's kitchen? Looking forward to serve you my new restaurant in Lakewood, Rehov Agrippas.